Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear listener. Welcome back to my channel Zikr-e Karbala. So today 20 Jamad-ul-Thaniya, the birth of Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha. So we present the very happy wishes of the birth of Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha to all and to our Imam Zamana Alayhi Salam. So as I said, today is the birth of Bibi Fatima. So this video will be based on the birth, Fazail and also the miracles of Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha. So first we will see the introduction, like who is Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha. So now let's begin with the introduction. So Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha was the daughter of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Bibi Khadijatul Kubra. She was the wife of our first Imam Ali Alayhi Salam, and she was the mother of our second and the third Imam Hassan and Imam Hussain Alayhi Salam. Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha was the mother of the Imams, wife of the Imam and the daughter of the last Prophet. Allah had said that Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is more respectful than all other prophets. Why? Because he is the father of Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha. So Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha was born on 20 Jamad-ul-Thaniya, as I told. Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha was the one from the 14th Masumin who was hidden. From Hazrat Adam, which Noor was coming, was the Noor of 13 Masumin. And one Noor was hidden. So when it came to Abdullah and Abu Talib, the 12th Noor of the 12 Imam went to Abu Talib, and one Noor of Prophet came to Abdullah, the father of Prophet Muhammad. And after this, when Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born and everything happened, and one day when Jibrail came to the Prophet and he told that Allah had ordered you to fast for 40 days and also worship 40 nights. But Prophet used to do this. So Prophet started from the next day. So first day when he kept the fast, at the time of Maghrib he went to the house of his aunt for iftar. But Jibrail came at the door and he stopped him. Prophet, your iftar is here. This will be iftar for you every day. Then he removed the cloth from the dish, the plate which he have bought, and then he gave the water for washing his face, hands and doing wuzu. And then he gave the dates of heaven, which was the iftar of the Prophet for 40 days. And after this, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam continued this for 40 days and he worshipped for 40 nights. But at the 40th night, Jibrail came with Buraq and he told him to go with him, to come with him. Jibrail told, come with me. Allah had called. They went on Miraj and everything happened which was in the Waqiyat-e-Miraj. Then a position came when Jibrail stopped. He told, now I cannot go further. You have to go alone from here. Then Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam went. But why did Jibrail stop there? So I will tell you it later. So Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam went further and then he met the voice of Imam Ali, which was none but Allah. He said, O Muhammad, I will give you something that when you receive it, you will be happy. Prophet asked, O my Allah, what are you giving me? Allah said, I am giving you Noor-e Fatima, which was hidden on the 7th sky. So then the Noor-e Fatima came in the sulb of Prophet Muhammad and Prophet Muhammad came back. But why did Jibrail stop? Jibrail can bring the Quran, but he cannot go on the position where was the Noor-e Fatima, so that Jibrail know his limits. So that means Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha was afzal from Quran. So now we are going to discuss a miracle of Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha. I told we will discuss the virtues, but I have uploaded the virtues before it, like the virtue of the cloak of Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Salamullah Alaiha. You all can watch that video. I will put the link in the description. So there is a miracle of Bibi Fatima Zahra Salamullah alaiha which was in Portugal. Portugal, there is a city. The name of that city is Fatima. Why there is the name Fatima? Because there lived three girls. Three were sisters. Two were big, but one was small. So that one youngest sister was ill. She was very hardly sick. And she was not getting well. They prayed to Janabe Maryam, please come and give her shifa. But then they saw a lady in the white hijab is coming and her face is shining. They told, are you Maryam? Then she said, I am not Maryam, I am Fatima. And then she kept the hand on the head of that sick girl and she became well. And then a Noor came and she disappeared. So after this, that city was named Fatima and a mazar was made for Bibi Fatima. And this Ronaldo himself had told in a speech that there is no miracle, but there is the miracle of Bibi Fatima in the Portugal. So this was the miracle of Bibi Fatima which the whole world had saw. So I hope you all have liked this video, and if you all have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel Zikre Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.
Miracles is possible. We say in Portugal, miracles is only in Fatima. And